What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually going to be verifying a video that I have previously made, which is going to be this one right here where it says earn dividends every day, new method. I want to actually verify that this is the reason why I'm actually investing and going in on this one platform. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started with today's money making method. So before we start today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to the Cash Room. He is an amazing person. He gives you some really good information on money making applications and money making methods online. So go over there, go give him a subscribe, go give him a like on all of his videos, go over there and start watching his content. I know you'll find some good information in each and every one of his videos. So let's get on with today's video. So if you guys have not seen this video about this website right here, well, I'm going to be showing you something really interesting in today's video. I woke up this morning, guys, and I was going to check my ethereumgold.io, and I recently just made a video about this 2 days ago, and now look at the website. It has vanished. Well, I'm going to show you something really awesome about this, and the reason why I actually told you guys that this is going to be the best way to make money in 2020. So if you guys have not seen that previous video, I'm going to leave the links right here at the top right hand corner of this video, guys. So make sure you go over there and check it out so you can get more in-depth information about ethereumgold.io. And as you can see, guys, that website is now no longer available for the moment. If you remember inside of that video, I was talking about a smart contract with Ethereum. That website actually runs through the Ethereum blockchain, so it is impossible for you to lose your money inside of that actual website. Now, this website is just a face to actually make it look more attractive for users to use. But this right here, guys, is the contract on the Ethereum blockchain right here, guys. It is the contract that I can still withdraw my money from this account itself. Now, this is the reason why I'm telling you guys that this is the insanest and most profitablest way you can start making some cryptocurrency right now, guys. So this actual contract has been around since 2018 as we speak, and look inside of that balance on this contract, it still has 2,821 Ethereum. So that is an insane amount of money right there, guys, and nobody has lost their money. This is still working. We're still making money from this actual website that's not even available at the moment, and on top of that, guys, we're still going to be able to withdraw our money eventually. So this is the reason why I love this contract so much. I'm going to leave the link to Ethereum Gold down in the description of this video, and guys, I'm going to show you proof that there's other websites that are actually using this as well. This is another website that is running the same exact contract. Now you can see 2,821 balance right there in Ethereum, and if you go back and watch my previous videos, guys, you can see that this is legit because I have the same amount of tokens, I have the same amount of dividends, and I have the same amount of value inside of that, guys. So let me go to my MetaMask real quick and show you. So 0.218364, this is just growing because people are still using it, investing off of the actual blockchain itself. So this is the contract where they can still invest money, withdraw money, and do all of the cool stuff inside of this contract without having a website. So this is the reason why I'm saying this website and this contract is the best way to actually make some money with Ethereum at the moment. So this was just an updated video of showing you how you can start to make money in 2020 the legit way, the way where nothing can scam you out. If Ethereum scams out, then that's going to be a lot of people losing money. But if these websites scam out, we are still going to be making money. You personally, I'm pretty sure you can possibly make a website and run the same contract and just withdraw your own money from that website. It's the same exact thing of withdrawing it from the contract itself. This is just trying to make it look a little fancy and a little more interactive for people to use it easier. Show you something really insane is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this billion-dollar guy right here called or named Dan Pena. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.